Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y if u is equal to f of x plus y comma x minus y. See friends, here he given u is function of x plus y comma x minus y. Now in this case, how do you find dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y, and which is suitable method to find this value? Today we discuss concept and problems on total derivative and chain rule. What friends? Total derivative and chain rule. Let us see the definition of total derivative. What friends? Total derivative. If u is equal to f of xy, where x is equal to g of t and y is equal to h of t. That means here u is function of x and y. Previously x and y are independent variable friends. Now x and y are dependent variables. It depends on t. ఇంకొకసారి అండి, u అనేది ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ xyగా ఉంది. xy మళ్ళీ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ tగా ఉందండి. xy is ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మళ్ళీ tగా ఉంది. ఇంతకుముందు అయితే x అండ్ y ఆర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్గా ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్గా ఉందండి. Then we can express u, okay, then we can express u as function of t alone by substituting the values of x and y in f of xy. Okay, what he says here, for example, if I am taking here f of x comma y, that is equal to say x square y friends, x square y. Okay, so u is equal to, suppose if you given x is equal to t and y is equal to t square, if I substitute these two values here, then we get u is equal to x means t, so get t square, y value is t square, so I substitute t square, finally I get here t power 4. Now if you observe, u is function of t alone friends. See here, u is function of t alone, okay, by substituting x and y values here. So thus we can find the ordinary derivative of u. Okay, so here we can find ordinary derivative friends. Okay, to obtain it from the partial derivatives dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, it can also obtain from partial derivatives friends. Okay, generally we can find du by dt value, we get 40 cube, but it can also obtain from partial derivatives by using dou u by dou x and dou u by dou. How it is? Let us see. U is function of xy and xy is function of t. See friends, here this notation is very important friends. This notation is very important. If you write like this, then we can solve the problem very easily. Okay nani, మీరు ఈ విధంగా రాసుకుంటే కనుక మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. అందుకోసం ఇలా రాశాను. ఇది ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయండి, ఏ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోనే ఉండదు. ఓకే, మనమే రాస్తాము. సో జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. అది u is ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ xy, see here u is ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ xy అండ్ xy is ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ t కాబట్టి ఇలా రాశానండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ dou u by dou t వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, నేను ఏం du by dt వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో I define du by dt, that is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. This is total derivative definition friends. Very important. Once again, du by dt. Why I am writing du by dt friends? Why I am writing du by dt? Whenever I substitute xy values, say we get function of t. So whenever it is single variable, it is you write du by dt. Okay, du by dt. That is equal, and he defined as, how he defined friends? Dou u by dou x. Why I am writing dou here? Because u is function of two variables. Okay, whenever function contains two variables, you write dou. Okay, whenever the function contains two variables, write dou. Okay, so that we get dou u by dou x. Now again, x is function of single variable, so we get dx by dt plus similarly dou u by dou y into dy by dt. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ టోటల్ డెరివేటివ్. ఇంకొకసారి అండి, du బై dt అన్నానండి. du బై dt అంటే ఏంటిది? u ఈజ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ xy. ఓకే, దీని పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ ద్వారా ఈ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్. నేను ఎందుకని డో రాశానండి ఇక్కడ? డో ఎందుకు రాసాను చెప్పండి? డి రాయొచ్చు కదా. ఎందుకని రాయలేదంటే u ఈజ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ xy. 2 వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంటే డో వస్తుంది. సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ ఉంటే కనుక ఇలాగా అప్పుడు డి వస్తుంది. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలండి. సో డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ dx by dt. I am writing d here because x is function of t alone. Okay, so dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. This is total derivative, friends. This is very important. You have to remember. Okay, from this relation I am by using this. If suppose u is function of 3 variables, friends, then how can I find this value? And if t is equal to x, then how can I get this total derivative? Let us see. If u is equal to f of x y z, where x is function of t, y is function of t, and g is function of also t, then total derivative is du by dt, that is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. We have an extra term here, friends. This is the extra term. Okay, whenever the function contains one more variable, then you write one more variable, one more term here, right? Next note is if t is equal to x. Okay, suppose if I write here write x in place of t, friends. Okay, then what happens? Du by dx, that is equal to dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. What is basic definition, friends? Here, what is basic definition? Du by dx, that is equal to what it means here. First of all, u is function of xy and xy is function of x, friends. So du by dx, that is equal to dou u by dou x. Okay, dou u by dou x here, again dx by dx plus dou u by dou y dy by dx. So d by dx of x value is, we know, 1, friends. So that here dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. In this way we get this note, friends. You have to remember this one also, friends. This one also important. Right, result, differentiation of implicit function. That means so far you learn here, say, friends, explicit function, friends. This is called explicit function. U is equal to f of x y z. Now what is implicit function, friends? Implicit function, let us see. If f of x comma y, that is equal to c, be an implicit relation. See, what is the implicit relation here? What is implicit relation, friends? Whenever you write here f of x y, that is equal to c, it is called implicit relation, friends, between x and y, which defines as differentiable function of x. Okay, this is very important, friends. It is defined as differentiable function of x. Differentiable function of x. Once again, it is differentiable function. It defines differentiable function of x. Then differentiable function of x means, come on guess, friends, come on guess. That means dy by dx. Let us see. dy by dx, that is equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. Okay, friends, dy by dx value minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. Let us see change of variables or chain rule. What, friends? Change of variables or chain rule. Let us see the definition. If u is function of xy and where x is function of rs, y is function of also rs. Now see here, friends, how many variables here? 2 variables, r and s. Previously we have only one variable. So x is function of t and y is function of t. Now here function of 2 variables, friends. Okay, that is the main difference. ఇంకొకసారి అండి, ఇంతకుముందు u is function of xy ఉండేది, ఇంతకుముందు xy is function of ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఉండేదండి. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 2 వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఎక్కడైనా d వస్తుందా? రాదండి. అన్ని చోట్ల ఏమొస్తుంది? డో వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ డిఫరెన్స్, ఫ్రెండ్స్. u is function of xy and xy is function of r and s. So here I want to find derivative of u with respect to r, friends, and with respect to s. Let us see. Dou u by dou r, that is equal to dou u by dou x into dou x by dou r. See, friends, previously we have here dx by dr. Okay, na total derivative ఏముండదు, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇక్కడ dx by dr ఉండేది, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉంచాను dou x by dou r ఉంది. ఎందుకోసం dou x by dou r ఉందండి ఇక్కడ? ఓకేనే, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకోసం dou x by dou r ఉంది? కమని చెప్పండి. because x is function of రెండు వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా, బికాస్ x is function of two variables r and s. So that we write here dou x by dou r, that is the difference friends. Rest of the things are some common, plus dou u by dou r, sorry, dou u by dou y by dou r. Similarly we can find dou u by dou s, dou u by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s, dou y by dou s. If there are three variables here x, y, z, then how can we write dou u by dou r, that is equal to dou x by dou r, sorry, dou u by dou x by dou r plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou r plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou r. Similarly dou u by dou s means dou u by dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y by dou s plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou s, dou z by dou s. Let us see one problem friends. Find dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y if u is equal to f of x plus y comma x minus y. See friends, here 2019 and 16, that means this problem is very very important for 8 marks friends, for 8 marks. Okay, let us see the solution. Let us see the solution. So what is given here? You write the given function first. Given u, that is equal to f of x plus y comma x minus y, x minus y. It is like friends, u is equal to, say here, f of r comma s friends. Okay, u is equal to f of r comma s, where r is equal to, come on tell me friends, where r is equal to x plus y, where r is equal to x plus y. What about s? X minus y. By comparing these two, r is x plus y and s is x minus y friends. Okay, now I want to write like this friends, u is function of now r comma s, u is function of r comma s. Now r comma s is function of, come on tell me, x and y. Very good, x comma y, x comma y. Now what he mentioned here, we find here dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So I can find now dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y by using chain rule. What friends? By using chain rule or change of variable. Okay, let us write the definition friends. Dou u by dou x, that is equal to, okay, come on tell me, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou r first, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus now with respect to s friends, dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x, dou s by dou x, that is equal to dou u by dou r. We cannot find this, so dou by dou x of r means x plus y plus dou u by dou s. We cannot differentiate, so you write as it is here, dou u by dou s into dou by dou x of s means x minus y, x minus y. So that is equal to dou u by dou r, dou u by dou r dou u by dou r, dou x by x means 1, dou by dou x of y means 0. So finally we get here 1. So write as it is, plus dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s, dou by dou x of x is 1, dou by dou x of y is 0 friends. So this is dou u by dou x value. Okay, now I want to find dou u by dou y value. Dou u by dou y value. So we get here dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y this time plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou s by dou y, dou s by dou y. So that is equal, we cannot find dou u by dou r by dou y. So dou by dou y of r friends, r is x plus y, s is x minus y. So x plus y plus dou u by dou s into dou by dou y of s means x minus y. So that is equal to dou u by dou r is write as it is. So dou by dou I of y means we get 1 plus dou u by dou s into dou by dou I of x is 0, 0. So dou by dou I of y means we get minus 1, minus 1. Now what we are finding here, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y. So add them, friends, add them. So we get here dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y, that is equal to dou u by dou x value, friends. We get here dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou s. Let us see, dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou s, okay, plus dou u by dou x value, dou u by dou r, okay. Here we have minus here, so minus dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s. Now if you observe the terms here, dou u by dou r, we get 2 into dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou s cancel. Finally I get here dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y value, okay, dou u by dou y value is that is equal to 2 into dou u by dou r. This question is for 8 marks, friends. E question 8 marks, level 7 marks, friends. Very, very important. Okay, na? This value once again. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లంలో వాడు ఇలా ఇచ్చాడండి, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, u is equal to f of x plus y, x minus y. ఫంక్షన్కి సపరేట్గా ఇవ్వలేదు, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇలా ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఏ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ థింక్ చేయాలండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఐమ్ థింకింగ్ హియర్ u is equal f of r comma s గా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఐ థింక్ హియర్ it can written as f of r comma s. So I write here r comma s. Okay, thereby r, I compare these two, r is equal to x plus y and s is equal to x minus y. Okay, now I observe u is function of rs and rs is function of x comma y. Once again, friends, u is function of rs, this rs is function of xy. Okay, now next what is our observation there? What is our observation there? rs is also function of two variables. So we have two definitions, total derivative and change of variable. Which is suitable method? Change of variable or chain rule. Okay, now we are finding here dou u by dou x value and dou u by dou y value. So dou u write on the definition dou u by dou x, simply dou u by dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s, dou s by dou x. You simply differentiate, we get this value, friends. Similarly, you find dou u by dou y, you write on the formula and simple partial differentiation, we get this value, add them, we get dou u by dou r. This is about total derivative, chain rule and problems on chain rule, friends. Okay, if you have any doubt in this concept, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.